It wasn't successfully built because on Android, this library requires core library desugaring to be enabled. So it would be ideal if I could set something like this in the Expo build properties. But I can't, it doesn't work. So this is the important part, core library desugaring enabled, and you need to define which version of the desugar JDK libs you need. For this exact version of the recaptcha, I needed 213. And the solution that worked for me was creating a custom plugin that modifies the build Gradle file and injects the dependencies and this flag. So I create a new module, new plugin in the plugins directory that is called with Android desugaring, and this is the basic wireframe of a plugin. I want to pass properties and define them in app configuration because the sugar version might change over time, and the rest of the plugin is just basically reading the build Gradle file and modifying it. So what do I do here? I do a little bit of regex search and replace and inject my code in the build Gradle. So I needed to enable, like I said, enable this flag, add the source compatibility like the stack trace suggested, and add the exact version that was requested. It was 213, and I pass it from the app configuration. This is how you include an Expo TypeScript plugin, and this is the property that is passed. But for TypeScript plugin to work in the Expo app configuration, you also need to import TSX, and I don't add it in my dev dependencies because it's needed during build. The other solution would be for you to write it exactly in plain old JavaScript and use CommonJS.